So what's our adventure today? Anyone?
Beach, go surfing.
Going surfing? Word. I got Zach. I got Alex. And I got the beautiful wife. Alright. Filling up right now. Got about 90-minute drive in front of us, but yeah, when we get to the beach, we'll there you go, you can see him out the back. When we get there, I'll start recording again. So all right. Trail down to Short Sands, and it's going to be a busy day, a lot of people, but it's a good sized beach, so there should be plenty of waves. Talked to my buddy, he's already down here, and said there's plenty of A-frames, so you gotta just look. This is one of the cool areas. What's up? Look at this fucking motley crew. What do I have here? I have one of the handsome fly fishermen decided to deadhead. It's Dragon's Head. We're sitting at low tide right now, so nobody on this end of the beach, but oh man, look down there. It's like flies on cheese. Oh, I know. Clean little right down there. Yeah, it's pretty badass. That was right there too. got some starfish.
Hello, guys. The one down in the crack.
Yeah, there's a huge one down there. Oh, there's more in there as well.
Yeah. I got a chocolate starfish.
No witnesses.
Nope.
No witnesses, no crime. Pretty chill at this point. Yeah, pet it. Pet it, lad. It keeps like surprising me how many starfish there are everywhere.
They are.
Look at that one. He's huge.
Dude, wait till you see a sunset.
That should go.
Yeah.
Stars.
It's cool.